What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you. I am super excited because I am going to let you all choose what type of slime that I make today through Instagram. I got the idea for this video from my friend DIYs by Abraham. He actually has a couple of these videos out right now and they're slime related and he is killing the game right now and he wanted me to do one, so I was like, you know what, I am going to do it. Challenge accepted. If you're excited to go ahead and see what slime that we're going to create together today, then make sure you go ahead and give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you very much. If I don't tell you I love you enough, I am so sorry, but I love you for having your post notifications on. I love you for always being here within the first 30 minutes of the video, and I love that you always comment using hashtag unicorn fam. If you would like your comment shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam. Also make sure you're subscribed, and it also helps if you turn on your post notifications. Just saying. Help your boy out, okay? Y'all, I also have merch. How crazy is this? You can get this shook t-shirt. You can also get a t-shirt with my unicorn logo on it. It is so crazy. I have pop sockets, I have wristbands, I have all kinds of things. Just go ahead and check out the description box down below and I have the link for that in my shop. All that good stuff. Go get some merch. Anyway, I am super excited to get on with the video, so let's get started, shall we? So for the first slime, you all actually chose to use the pink glitter glue, so we're gonna go ahead and grab that for this one. I actually asked you all to choose between black and white Daiso clay, and you all chose the white one for this. Next, you had to pick your snow, either instant snow or plastic snow, and you all picked the instant snow. So now it's time to go ahead and make this all into a slime. So I'm starting off by emptying the glitter glue into this bowl here, and I don't know if it's just me, but it always takes me like a good hour or two to get all of the freaking glue out. It's awful.
2,000 years later.
She is just too thick. That is what we're gonna go with. So once I went ahead and emptied all of the glitter glue, I actually added in a teaspoon of instant snow. We're gonna start off by making this kind of like a cloud cream, I guess. I've never made a cloud cream with this glitter glue, so it was very interesting to me to kind of see the texture. Okay, now that we have the instant snow and the glue evenly combined, I'm going to go ahead and activate the slime using a borax solution. I'm just adding it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time that I add it in, just till it starts to come together and it isn't sticky anymore. I mean, I'm like 99.9% sure that everybody watching this knows how to activate a slime, but there's always that 0.01% that you gotta watch out for. I got you, fam. Don't you even worry. Just in case this is your first slime video, I got you. This is how you do it. And just a heads up, you will need to add the borax a couple of times, especially when you add instant snow into a slime, because it's actually going to activate the instant snow before it activates the actual slime, and then you should end up with something like this, very fluffy and very creamy, just like a cloud cream. So now we're going to go ahead and add the Daiso into this. I'm actually adding the slime on top, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it, and it was kind of a disaster because it just like instantly melted. I have no idea how, no idea why, but that's why borax was invented. That's the entire reasoning for borax. So I just added in a little bit until it actually came out to a slime. If you try to recreate this at home, just know you're going to need a lot of borax and a lot of patience and a lot of arm muscle. But eventually you will end up with this gorgeous right here. I love this slime so much. It's super sizzly and it's the best of both worlds. You all know that both of my favorite slimes are cloud creams and butter slimes, and this is legit a baby that is born from the two, and I just love it. Now for the next slime, you got to choose between clear and white glue, and obviously you all chose clear glue because who doesn't love a good clear slime? Next, we're adding in some beads, and you all actually chose the fishbowl beads. And then lastly, okay, this one was kind of crazy because when I filmed this, it was literally 50-50 between the charms and the smiley face glitters, but then it ended up being 59-41. I'm so sorry about that. I should have screenshotted it before, but I didn't even think about it, to be honest. So I'm just squeezing this entire 5-ounce clear glue bottle into this bowl here. Next, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm actually going to add in all the add-ins first before I activate. So I'm adding in the fishbowl beads, I'm going to go ahead and add in the charms, and then the smiley face hollow glitters as well. I find that if I add it in before, I actually don't over-activate it, so nothing is falling out of the slime, because that's never fun. So if you have a problem with over-activating your slimes, you might want to try this method first as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and give everything in the bowl a quick mix before we go ahead and activate the slime. Now, again, using the borax solution as my activator, I'm going to add it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time that you add it in. For the clear slimes, you definitely want to stir it a little bit more, just because, like I said, you really don't want to activate it, because then the beads and the charms and everything else will just completely fall out of the slime, and that is never fun. So just take your time. A slow and steady wins the race with this one, okay, y'all? Now that everything's activated, we have this little cutie here. I actually arranged the charms on it just to kind of look like a face. I thought it was pretty cute with the little bow on the top as well. It's just super, super cute. What I'm actually going to do now is, because you can't really tell that anything special is going on here, just it looks like there's a little bit of charms, I'm actually going to break the rules a little bit, and I'm so sorry, do not kill me. I just had to do it, y'all. I have to add in a little bit more glitter, so I'm just taking this little iridescent glitter here, and I'm just going to throw in a little bit just to make it a little bit cuter. Don't hate me. I just really thought it would look good and give it just like another dimension, you know what I mean? I just didn't want it to be too boring. Okay, so now the fishbowl slime is complete. I put this in a container with an airtight lid, and I actually put this in my garage for 3 days so that it can melt, and look at how gorgeous it came out. I love it so much. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video here. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed making the video. It was actually really fun, and I wouldn't mind doing a part 2. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comment section down below. I think both of the slimes came out beautiful, so that's just me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to help your boy out and give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn if you haven't already. Y'all, I also have merch. How crazy is this? You can get this Shook t-shirt. You can also get a t-shirt with my unicorn logo on it. It is so crazy. I have pop sockets, I have wristbands, I have all kinds of things. Just go ahead and check out the description box down below, and I have the link for that in my shop. All that good stuff. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run, hiding from